Welcome to Gear Garage, your go-to destination for the latest and most detailed automotive insights. Today we're diving into the upcoming 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo, a luxury SUV that's once again pushing the limits of performance, technology, and design. For those who crave speed wrapped in refinement, this new iteration promises to be a compelling choice. The 2026 Cayenne Turbo has received both visual and mechanical updates. Its exterior design evolves with sharper lines, a wider front grille, and sleeker LED matrix headlights. Porsche has subtly refined its muscular stance while enhancing aerodynamics. Around back, the rear lights now feature a full-width LED strip, contributing to a more modern and aggressive look. The vehicle rides on newly designed 22-inch alloy wheels that add to its dynamic presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Cayenne Turbo is powered by a revised 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an estimated 620 horsepower and around 627 pound-feet of torque. Porsche engineers have fine-tuned the engine for better throttle response and overall efficiency. This powerhouse allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds, thanks to the standard all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission. Adaptive air suspension, Porsche Active Suspension Management, and active anti-roll technology help deliver razor-sharp handling and a composed ride, even on twisty roads. Inside the cabin, the Cayenne Turbo offers a blend of high-end luxury and cutting-edge tech. The interior features premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a redesigned dashboard layout. The new curved 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, while the central infotainment screen is now 12.3 inches, offering smoother graphics and quicker responsiveness. For the first time, a passenger side display is available, allowing the front passenger to operate navigation and media without distracting the driver. Porsche's latest infotainment system integrates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a more intelligent voice assistant. The navigation is more intuitive, and over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current. Audiophiles will appreciate the optional Burmester 3D sound system, which offers exceptional clarity and depth. Rear passengers also get more tech, including individual climate zones and optional entertainment screens mounted behind the front seats. Safety and driver assistance features have also been expanded in the 2026 model. Standard features now include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Porsche has also introduced an improved night vision system and traffic jam assist, enhancing comfort and safety during long drives or city commutes. Cargo space remains generous, and the split folding rear seats allow for expanded versatility, making the Cayenne Turbo as practical as it is powerful. Whether it's a cross-country journey or a day at the track, this SUV is engineered to handle both with ease. Overall, the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo is a bold statement from Porsche, balancing raw performance with everyday usability. It refines everything that made its predecessor great while introducing meaningful updates in performance, technology, and safety. Thanks for watching this review from Gear Garage. If you found this video helpful or interesting, make sure to hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Garage for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything automotive.